Man, this week has been amazing. My expectations was to remember basically what I was born with, and I didn't know what that was. As far as like, I have all these amazing gifts and talents, but there's this one ceiling, there's just like one vault that I couldn't get into. And what I realized, it was just a hologram. It wasn't a real vault. And what was behind that vault was my courage. I remembered my courage being here with everyone supporting, holding our points, encouragement, great, amazing vegan food. I remembered my courage, and I reconnected with myself. I reconnected with my God, sovereign self. And now I have the courage to use my talents freely, use my voice. That was the other, even though I've spoken in front of, thousands of people, but now my will and my courage is behind my voice. And I don't have to, convince anybody or justify my voice. It's just, this is my voice. This is who I am. And when I speak, this is me. This is who I am. This is my God, sovereign self. So this week, perfect timing.